is a database of streaming films that can be licensed for educational use as instructional materials within a course. These tend to include classics, artistic films, and documentaries. You can browse for films at usf.kanopy.com using the search feature at the top of the page. If you find a film that you'd like to use but it's not currently available in our library, complete the request form that appears on the page for that video. It typically takes a week to process that request. Please note that Kanopy Films access expire 1 year later, so if you had to request a film, it may be a good idea to mark your calendar when you will need to renew it so that your students do not lose access during that future semester. Requests for renewal can be sent at that time to libreserves@usf.edu. If you find a film that plays immediately instead of displaying the request form, that means it's currently available in our database. You can then use the link or the share option to embed the video in your Canvas course. It's important to remember that Kanopy videos expire at 1 year, so at some point the movie we just found may no longer be available. This website lists the videos that will expire this month. If you don't see the video listed here, you should download the master list at the bottom of this page to find the expiration date. You can use the Find function, Control and F keys on your keyboard, to search for your title. Make note of that expiration date and remember to email the Library Reserves team to request the renewal in advance. Your best contact for support and questions is the email libreserves@usf.edu. If a video you're looking for is not available streaming online, but you still want to use it in your course, contact your liaison librarian to see if the library can find an alternative film or method.